बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम MCQs पढ़ेंगे क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ड्रग्स के। MCQ नंबर 1 है, ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर जनरल मैकेनिज्म्स ऑफ ड्रग परमिएशन एक्सेप्ट। ऑप्शन नंबर ए एक्वस डिफ्यूजन, ऑप्शन नंबर बी एक्वस हाइड्रोलिसिस, ऑप्शन सी लिपिड डिफ्यूजन, ऑप्शन डी पिनोसाइटोसिस एंड एंडोसाइटोसिस एंड ऑप्शन ई इज स्पेशल कैरियर ट्रांसपोर्ट। Option B is the correct answer, aqueous hydrolysis. MCQs number 2. If the plasma concentration of a drug declines with first order kinetic, this means that Option A, there is only one metabolic path for drug deposition. Option B, the half-life is the same regardless of the plasma concentration. Option C, the drug is largely metabolized in the liver after oral administration and has low bioavailability elimination. Option D is the rate of the elimination in proportionate to the rate of the administration at all times. Option E is the drug is not distributed outside the vascular system. The correct answer is option B. The half-life is the same regardless of the plasma concentration. Next one is distribution of drugs to specific tissues. Option A is independent of blood flow to the organ. Option B is independent of the solubility of the drug in that tissue. Option C depends on the unbound drug concentration gradient between blood and tissue. Option D is increased for drugs that are strongly bound to plasma proteins. And the C is has no effect on the half-life of the drug. Correct option is C, depends on the unbound drug concentration gradient between blood and tissue. A physical process by which a weak acid becomes less water soluble and more lipid soluble at low pHs. Option A is distribution, option B is elimination, option C is first pass effect, option D is permeation, and option E is protonation. Protonation, option E is the correct answer. Which of the following terms best described an antagonist that interacts directly with the agonist and not at all or only incidentally with the receptor? Option A, pharmacological antagonist, B, partial agonist, C, physiological antagonist, D, chemical antagonist, and E is non-competitive antagonist. Option E is the correct answer, non-competitive antagonist. Which of the following terms best describes a drug that blocks the action of the epinephrine and its receptor by occupying those receptors without activating them? Option A is pharmacological antagonist, B is partial agonist, C is physiological antagonist, D chemical antagonist, and E is non-competitive antagonist. The correct option is A, pharmacological antagonist. Following are excreted faster in basic urine. Option A, weak acids. Option B, strong acids. Option C, weak bases. D, none of the above. Option A is correct, weak acids. Option number 8, alpha amino ethyl imidazole is. Option A is 2-methylhistamine, B histamine, C 2-pyridylethylamine, D 4-methylhistamine. The correct option is B, histamine. MCQ number 9. Agents are often cause vasoconstriction include all of the following except option A, angiotensin 2, B, methylsergin, C, PGF2 alpha, D, prostacyclin, and E is thromboxane. The correct option is D, prostacyclin. MCQs number 10. Inflammation is a complex tissue reaction that includes the release of the cytokines, leukotrienes, prostaglandins, and peptides. Prostaglandins involved in inflammatory process are produced from arachidonic acid by option A is cyclooxygenase A, option B cyclooxygenase 2, option C glutathione as transferase, option D lipoxygenase, option E phospholipase A2. The correct option is B, cycloogenase 2. Option number 11. Following is an example of para-aminophenol, NSAID. Option A is diclofenac, B acetaminophen, C piroxicam, and D is celecoxib. Option number 12. Which of the following effects does not occur in salicylate intoxication? Option A, hyperventilation, B, hypothermia, C, metabolic acidosis, D, respiratory alkalosis, and E is tinnitus. The correct option is B, hypothermia. Option number 13. The drug that decreases blood pressure and has analgesic and spasmolytic effect when given intrathecally is option A, atenolol, B, clonidine, C, morphine, D, nitroprusside, and E is parazosin. Clonidine, option B, is the correct answer. Acetyl salicylic acid is soluble in A, option in an aqueous base, B, water, C, an aqueous acid. An aqueous base is the correct option. Decomposition of the acetyl salicylic acid at room temperature most likely would occur by option A, oxidation of the ester, option B, reduction of the carboxylic acid, option C, hydrolysis of the ester. Option C is the correct option, hydrolysis of the ester. The action of aspirin that results in its greater efficiency as an antithrombotic antiplatelet drug is its ability to option A is inhibit lipoxygenase as well as cyclooxygenase. Option B, selectivity inhibit cycloogenase 1. Option C, inhibit leukocyte migration. Option D is promote uric acid excretion, and D, E is acetylate cycloogenase. Correct option is option E, acetylate cycloogenase. Which of the following drugs may be effective in the treatment of the gouty arthritis by acting by two separate and distinct mechanisms? Option D, indomethacin is the correct option from the given options. Next one is which of the following medications would represent arthritis therapy that is least likely to cause gastric ulceration? Option A is aspirin, option B is acetaminophen, option C piroxicam, D meclofenamate. The correct option is A, aspirin. In addition to their ability to decrease inflammatory prostaglandin synthesis, some non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs may owe part of their effects to their ability to option A, inhibit leukocyte migration, option B, inhibit leukotriene synthesis, option C, stabilize lysosomal membranes, D, all of above, and E, none of the above. Correct option is all of above. In gastrointestinal tract, serotonin causes option A, contraction of the gastrointestinal muscle, option B, decreased muscle tone, C, decreased peristalsis, D, all of the above. The correct option is A, contraction of the gastrointestinal muscles. Which local anesthetic should be used to treat symptoms of pain, itching, burning, and discomfort in patients which are established lidocaine allergy? Option A is tetracaine, B is bupivacaine, C pramoxine, and D is benzocaine. The correct option is D. Which of the following statement about vancomycin is accurate? Option A, it is bacteriostatic. Option B, it binds to PBPs. Option C, it is not susceptible to penicillinase. Option D, it has the advantage of the oral bioavailability. Option E is staphylococcal enterocolitis occurs commonly with its uses. Option C is correct, it is not susceptible to the penicillinase. Next one is, which of the following statements about ampicillin is false? Option A, its activity is enhanced by the sulbactam. Option B, it causes maculopapular rashes. Option C, it is the drug of choice for the Listeria monocytogenes infection. Option D, it eradicates most strains of the MRSA. Option E is pseudomembranous colitis may occurs with its use. Option D is correct. It eradicates most strains of MRSA. The mechanism of the antibacterial action of tetracycline involves option A, binding to a component of the 50S ribosomal subunit. Option B, inhibition of the translocase activity. Option C, blockade of binding of the amino acyl transfer RNA to bacterial ribosomes. Option D, selective inhibition of the ribosomal peptidal transferase. And the E is inhibition of the DNA dependent RNA polymerase. Option C is correct, blockade of binding of the amino acyl transfer RNA to bacterial ribosomes. The primary mechanism underlying the resistance of the gram-positive organisms to macrolide antibiotic is option A is correct, methylation of the binding sites on the 50S ribosomal subunits. Option number 26, all of the following factors may increase the risk of the nephrotoxicity from the gentamicin therapy except A, age over 70 years, B, prolonged course of the gentamicin therapy, C, concurrent amphotericin B therapy, D, through gentamicin levels below 2 mg per milliliter, E, concurrent cisplatin therapy. Option E is correct. Option number 27, which one of the following antibiotics is likely to be most effective agent in the treatment of an infection due to the enterococci if used in conjunction with penicillin G? Option E, tobramycin is the correct answer from all of the above. Option number 28, regarding the antibacterial action of the gentamicin, which one of the following statement is most accurate? Option number C, gentamicin continues to exert antibacterial effects even after plasma level decrease below detectable levels. This is the correct option from the given all options. Which one of the following drugs is most likely to be effective against multi-drug resistant strains of the M? Tuberculosis, including those resistant to streptomycin. Option A, amikacin. B, clarithromycin. C, gentamicin. D, meropenem. E, spectrinomycin. Option A, amikacin is the correct answer. Streptomycin has no useful activity in the treatment of bubonic plague, brucellosis, limb disease, tuberculosis, tularemia. Option C is the correct. Which one of the following statement about one daily dosing with aminoglycosides is false? Option B is the correct option. Adjustment of the dosage is less important in renal insufficiency. Which one of the following antimicrobial drugs does not require supplementation of the dosage following hemodialysis? Option E is the correct, vancomycin. Next one is the persistent suppression of bacterial growth that may occur following limited exposure to some antimicrobial drugs is called option number B, the post-antibiotic effect is the correct answer from the given options. Next one is, which of the following antibiotics is a potent inducer of hepatic drug metabolizing enzymes? Option D, rifampicin is the correct option. The drug of choice for the scarlet fever is, the correct option is penicillin. Option C, cyclosporine is used for, it is used for the prevention of the transplant rejection. Option number C is the correct. The plasma half-life of penicillin G is longer in the newborn because their option A, plasma protein level is low. Option B, drug metabolizing enzymes are immature. Option C, glomerular filtration rate is low. Option D, tubular transport mechanism are not well developed. Option D is correct answer. Next one is pectinomycin is an aminoglycoside-like antibiotic indicated for the treatment of option number C, penicillin-resistant gonococcal infection is the correct answer. Select the antibiotic with the high therapeutic index: streptomycin, doxy, cephalexin, polymyxin B, cephalexin C option is the correct. Which of the following organisms is notorious for developing antimicrobial resistance rapidly? Option number D, Escherichia coli is the correct option.